Hello, hope you're doing well. I'm here in this robot space where the robots trade alongside you and for you. We're going to have a tutorial video about the Mexican trading robot, which has just received a new update. Make sure to check out this video. Robot accuracy improved. Add Mexican robot to chart. We have two signals, arrow or confirmation. Arrow shows trend direction. Signal follows trend. Bearish trend gives sell signal. Adding Mexican trading robot. Two signals, arrow or confirmation. Arrow shows trend direction. Bearish trend turns bullish. Trend forms, then signal. Bearish trend gives sell signal. We have two signals, an arrow display or confirmation. The arrow indicates the trend direction predicted by the robot. For example, it might say the trend is bearish, then bullish. The trend forms first. Then we get a signal in that direction. If the trend was bearish, we got a sell signal and entered the trade. Initially, the trend was bearish, so we saw a sell signal, which wasn't interesting. Then it announced a bullish trend, and the trend and signal coincided. Removing the first one shows the internet is weak, but one detects the trend, the other the entry signal. Sometimes they overlap, creating a strong signal. Like with the sell signal, the trend is bullish, and we get signals we should have entered based on the data. The trend started bearish, hinting at a sell signal, but it wasn't notable. A bullish trend followed, aligning trend and signal. Removing the first shows weak internet. One detects trend, the other. If they delete it, one detects the trend, the other identifies the entry signal. Sometimes they overlap, creating a strong signal. Here, the trend is bullish, and we get signals. Review the last 10 days. Positions are set to save time. We're entering on a bearish trend with a sell signal. Place it above the cloud or Kijun line, depending on proximity. Set it between 2.5 to 3. I acted because it had never signaled before, went lower than previous lows. We're entering, and got 2.77% above the 10. They overlapped, and we're entering the trade. I'll set the account below the range inside the cloud and manage risk. To save time, I've set up positions. We're in a bearish trend with a sell signal. Place it above the cloud or Kijun line, whichever is closer. Since the app froze, placing it above is better for risk management. Set it between 2.5 to 3. Why this action? It never signaled before, went lower than previous lows, and showed a police action. We entered and got 2.77% above the 10. Let's review the signals. They overlapped, and we're entering the trade. I'll set the account below the range in the cloud and manage risk. I took this action because, in addition to the fact that it had never given a signal before, it had also gone lower than the previous lows, and it showed a police action. We're entering it, and just like that, we got 2.77% above the 10. Let's go back and see what signals we had. Here, they overlapped, and we're entering the trade. I'll set the account below the range, inside the cloud, and manage the risk accordingly. Profit is 1.78%. Sell and trend signals overlap, so I entered the trade. Stop loss above Kijun line and cloud. 3 strong points at intersection indicate future reaction. Robot hits 2.5, order placed. It bounces back. Trend requires trade entry. Stop loss below cloud and Kijun line, targeting 1.44%. It becomes 14.4 at 10. Use higher versions. Manage risk with capital as explained. Robot detects trend, gives sell signal, so we enter. Stop loss inside cloud, above 1, or above if thin, entering at. It goes back there, showing a trend. I need to enter the trade. With the sell signal, setting my stop loss inside the cloud, entering the trade, targeting 1.44%. So 5 becomes 10, making it 14.4. Use higher versions, but manage risk with capital as explained in product pages. At 12 and 13 minutes, now, it detects the trend again, giving a sell signal, so we enter. Stop loss inside the cloud, above 1, or above if thin, entering at 2, setting the target. Walls of 5.5 or 6 might signal, but we follow our strategy. 20.01% at 5, 10, and 22.5. It covers 10 days, adding up to 97.1% in 10 days, close to 100% profit on this currency. It's detected the trend for us again. It's giving a sell signal, so we're definitely entering. I'll set my stop loss inside the cloud, above 1, or if the cloud is thin, I'll place it above the cloud. We're entering at 2, and I'm marking the date for us. As you can see, for example, the walls of 5.5 or 6 might have given us a signal, but we're following our strategy. And this number is satisfactory. 20.01% at 5, 10.5, 22.5, and 1.5. This has been the robot's performance report over the past 10 days. If we take a ruler from here. So, over the past 10 days, the work it has done, if we add these up, I previously calculated 27.7, 17, 8, 15.5, 1, 4, 2, 4, 22.5, and the result is 97.1% in 10 days, which is close to 100% profit just on this currency. This currency also works well on other currencies and other time frames. For example, let's check Bitcoin. It has a good signal. Trim the link even if you work with gold, XIO. Let's check it out together. Here are those amazing signals we had, even for gold, across very low time frames to daily and weekly time frames. You can use this robot for all of them. For more information, just search for Mexican Trading Robot on Google or come down below this video to visit the website. In the robot section, you can choose a 1-month, 3-month, 6-month, or even an annual subscription with a special discount and use it on your own chart. It doesn't require any kind of final account either. A regular event gets activated as an indicator, or you can use a regular account that has a syndicate-like feature. You can use this, along with the other two as well. Thanks for everything. You're welcome.